mantras. In Buddhism, it is considered, and the reason why these are put is so that when the wind comes, the wind gets energized with the mantras that are over here, the protective mantras and the mantras for prosperity, for safety. So the complete wind will have the vibration of these mantras. It's an amazing philosophy. How much faith that people have. It's an amazing philosophy as to how much faith that people have. Hats off to the faith. I wish I had this so that I could also tie, but everything is closed over here. There are no tourists. I guess I'm the only crazy one to come over here at this point of time. So ladies and gentlemen and kids, this is Pangongso Lake in the month of January, completely frozen. Temperatures ranging between minus 15, I won't say minus 15, temperatures at a comfortable minus 25 to minus 35 degrees. That side, somewhere would be China. This is India. Take care, God bless. Jai Hind.